In the law of tort, an act of God refers to a natural event, like a severe storm, earthquake, or flood, that is so extraordinary and unforeseeable that it cannot be reasonably prevented by human intervention, thus relieving a defendant of liability for damages caused by such an event. Essentially, it is a defense against a negligence claim when a natural disaster is the primary cause of the harm. Key points about act of God. Unforeseeable and uncontrollable. The event must be completely unexpected and beyond the ability of any reasonable person to anticipate or prevent, even with due care. Natural phenomena. Typical examples include lightning strikes, hurricanes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, and extreme weather events. Example case, Nichols vs. Marsland. Facts. A defendant owned artificial lakes which burst due to an exceptionally heavy rainfall, causing damage to the plaintiff's property. Decision. The court held that the extreme rainfall was an act of God, as it was so unprecedented and beyond what could be reasonably anticipated, therefore the defendant was not liable for the damage. Important considerations. Negligence contribution. If a defendant's pre-existing negligence contributed to the damage caused by a natural event, they may still be liable even if the event itself is considered an act of God. Burden of proof. The defendant must prove that the event was truly an act of God, and not merely a foreseeable natural occurrence. Other relevant points. Force majeure. In contract law, the concept of force majeure is often used interchangeably with act of God to describe an event beyond human control that excuses a party from fulfilling contractual obligations. Modern challenges. With climate change concerns, the legal application of act of God is increasingly debated as the frequency and severity of certain natural disasters may become more predictable.